Contact center monitoring is the process of continuously overseeing the center's operations by listening to customer interactions with agents and analyzing data from those interactions. Here's how to do it in Webex Contact Center. Log into Control Hub, then click the link for the Webex Contact Center Management Portal. On the left-hand side, you will see Call Monitoring. Clicking here will open the Call Monitoring page. Choose whether you wish to monitor the next call or continuous monitor. If you select Monitor Next Call, the next time a call goes to the agent and meets your selected criteria, the agent will answer and the callback number will ring. Answering it will allow you to listen in on the call. If you select Continuous Monitor, every time your chosen circumstance is met, the system will call the callback number for the supervisor to listen in on. For now, I'll select Monitor Next Call. I can filter by an agent, a queue, a team, a combination, or none of them. I should enter a callback number first, but if I forget, the system will remind me. Once I click Monitor Next Call, I will see the monitoring request displayed. Continuous monitoring allows a supervisor to monitor specific types of calls on a regular basis. To use it, first enter the preferred filtering, the callback number, then click Continuous Monitor. You can select the duration of the monitored call by selecting Unlimited or the number of minutes. You can also create a monitoring schedule by clicking the Schedule button at the top. Select the first day you want to monitor the call and click Create. Give a name to the setting. Provide the start and end dates and times you want to monitor. Indicate what days of the week, filtering details, then click Save. Now let's see how this works ad hoc, using the Supervisor desktop. On the bottom of the screen you can see the Agent Desktop Console. On the top, the Supervisor. The Supervisor can select the agent and see that they are on a call. By clicking here under Actions, they can review and monitor. This opens the Review and Monitor panel, telling the supervisor vital information about the call in progress. Clicking on the Start Monitoring button sends the call to the supervisor. The supervisor will see the toast pop up and answer. Now the supervisor can hear the conversation. If the supervisor wants to be heard, they can click Barge In and a three-way call between the agent, customer, and supervisor is created.